Introducing our Tufskinz center console switch panel accent for the 2020 newer Can-Am Spyder RT models. This one-piece accent will take your switch panel from mild to wild in no time at all, thanks to its simple peel and stick design. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tufskinz products, they begin with a high-quality substrate such as Real Carbon Fiber like this one here. They're then coated with a UV-resistant top coat that protects the kit from Mother Nature, and are then backed with a 3M VHP backing tape for maximum adhesion. Now today I'll be walking you through the installation on one of our shop 2020 Spyder RTs, so let's get started. Now to install, thoroughly clean the surface area with alcohol, and let that sit for a minute to dry. Now for proper adhesion, be sure to install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now peel back a small section of protective backing tape, line it up so that it's straight, and then press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling back small sections as you go. So if this center console switch panel accent is something you'd like to see in your 2020 or newer Spyder RT or RT Limited, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.